Hey there! Today let's talk about something super cool in the world of AI, the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. This tiny yet powerful device is making waves as an affordable solution for edge AI. With its 6 ARM cores, 1024 CUDA cores, and 8 GB of RAM, it's got a lot to offer. Curious? Let's break it down together.
Hi, welcome to my house. I'm living in a different house now. We're fixing the house that you guys saw the last time you were in my kitchen. And let's see, what were we doing? My hair was a lot longer, and I lifted a brand new HGX out of my oven. Well, I'm cooking something up for you again today. And let me show it to you. Here you go. Ladies and gentlemen, our brand new AI computer. Look at this. I think I might have cooked it a little bit too long. It shrunk. The little tiny Jetson Nano. Little Orin computer. This thing that's really amazing is that a long time ago, starting with Xavier, you guys might have known, that we created a brand new type of processor. It was a robotics processor. Nobody understood what we were building at the time. And we imagined that someday these deep learning models would evolve and we would have robots of all kinds. Everything that moves would be robotic. And now here we are. We're seeing all kinds of amazing robots. Robots on wheels, robots on legs, 2 legs, 3 legs. And of course, general humanoid robotics are nearly upon us. This is a brand new Jetson Nano Super. Almost 70 trillion operations per second. 25 watts and $249. It runs everything that the HGX does, even runs large language models, and can't wait for all of you to try it. It's available everywhere. Go get it. Enjoy robotics. And it runs CUDA and cuDNN and TensorRT. You could create an agentic AI that reasons and plans. So you could use it for a robot, you could use it for a workstation. It's an incredible computer. What do you guys think?
So what actually is this device? The Jetson Orin Nano is NVIDIA's answer to Edge AI. Edge AI, if you're not familiar, is all about processing data right where it's needed, rather than sending it to the cloud. It's perfect for applications like robotics, IoT, drones, and smart cameras. Think of it as a supercharged Raspberry Pi that's built for serious AI tasks. Alright, let's talk specs. Here's what the Orin Nano brings to the table. A GPU with 1024 CUDA cores, perfect for speeding up AI tasks. 6 ARM cores to handle your processing needs efficiently. 8 GB of RAM, which means smooth performance for multitasking. It's part of NVIDIA's ecosystem, so it works seamlessly with tools like CUDA and TensorRT. What really stands out is how much power this little board packs into such a small and energy efficient package. It's designed for those who need serious performance without the bulk. Let's get practical. What can you actually do with the Jetson Orin Nano? Here are a few examples. AI-powered monitoring systems. Imagine setting up a system that doesn't just detect motion, but actually recognize vehicle, people, or other objects in real time. Models like YOLO V8 make this possible. Robotics and IoT. Robots can process data locally, making them faster and more autonomous. Smart devices. Think about drones that can understand and respond to commands or analyze their environment in real time. Here's where things get really exciting. The Orin Nano support a range of pre-trained AI models. This means you don't have to start from scratch. Just grab a model, deploy it, and start experimenting. NVIDIA's ecosystem makes this super easy. For example, YOLO V8 can process video frames quickly to identify objects like cars and people. It's not just fast, it's smart enough to understand what's happening in a scene. And if you are into natural language processing, you can run models like Llama 3.2 right on the device. Imagine having a conversational AI or text generator that doesn't rely on the cloud. Pretty cool, right? If you are looking to explore AI on a budget, this device is a no-brainer. Here's why. Affordable performance. At $249, it delivers power that's hard to beat in this price range. Energy efficient. With just 15 watt of power consumption, it's perfect for projects where energy use matters. Compact design. It's small enough to fit into almost any project, but powerful enough to handle complex tasks. The NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano is a proof that you don't need a massive setup to do amazing things with AI. Whether you're working on robotics, EIT, or just experimenting with cutting edge models, this device has you covered. What do you think? Could the Jetson Orin Nano be the right tool for your next AI project? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this interesting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and tech insights. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the incredible world of technology.